Hello friends, this is Rajiv here, teacher of social studies at HR Imperial Public School, Chhapra. Dear students, today I am deciding to take online classes of social studies on the suggestion of our honorable principal sir. So I am going to teach one of the best subject of the social studies, that is the political science of the chapter 1, that is the power sharing. Power sharing, which is closely connected with the democracy and democratic idea and the principles, where we talk about the idea related to the power sharing and why it is needed and where it is possible. Dear students, you know we live in democratic country, and you know India is the largest democratic country in the world, and you know being a democratic country, India provides, an Indian democratic country provides equality, liberty and justice, that is the social justice, economical justice and the political justice. But we need, and our society needed more and more freedom, more and more equality, more and more opportunity in the field of education, in the field of job and in the field of every social aspects. So it is needed power sharing. First of all, I like to define what is power sharing. Dear students, power sharing means distribution of power or subject among the levels of the government, among the organs of the government, like that legislature, executive and judiciary. You know, power is shared. Why? It is shared to reduce the possibility of conflict. Possibility of conflict also in organs of the government, also among organs of the government. And you know, power is shared according to the constitution, where all the organs are separated and all the organs that cannot prevail upon each other easily. All the organs actually independent, they work freely, but in somehow all the organs of the government control over each other in various way. Before telling all these facts, I start and I am going to start my chapter, that is the power sharing. This is the first chapter. Power sharing. Chapter SST. power sharing. Power sharing means I clear say distribution of power या subjects. But how? Where power is shared? Just you can say and see. It is shared distribution of power or subject among organs of the government like that legislature, executive, judiciary. Here power is shared among organs of the government, but dear students, you know these types of power sharing is known as horizontal type of power sharing. This type of power sharing is known as horizontal type of power sharing. For example, you can say that is the government here legislature, executive, judiciary. This one type of power sharing is called horizontal type of power sharing. That is the latitudinal. This type of power sharing is the horizontal type of power sharing. And next, another type of power sharing is called vertical type of power sharing. What does it mean? It means that power is shared like that. Like that means union or central government, where power is shared from union or central government to state government to local government. That is another type of government which exists in India. That is the third type government. But you can see and make a diagram through pyramid-like structure of the levels of the government. That is the central government, state government, and local self government. Local self government. So you can, and now you can see these both types of power sharing. That is the first horizontal type of power sharing, and that is the second vertical type of power sharing. But you know something other than this, that is the reasonable, that is the reason why power is shared, that can be categorized into two groups, that is prudential region of power sharing and the moral regions of power sharing. First one is that if you can talk about the prudential region of power sharing, then it is said that power is shared to reduce the conflict, to reduce social conflict, and it reduces the possibility of conflict in our society. It also accommodates social diversity and social division. It respects social division. It respects integrity. It leads to integrity and integration and unity. Another type of and another region of power sharing, that is the moral region. Dear students, you know, we all only talk power sharing, and we all can talk power sharing only in democratic type of government, not in dictatorial type of government, not in a tyrannical type of government, not in another type of government. But we can talk about power sharing in only democratic type of government, and only it is possible in democratic type of government where power is shared. Why? Because by the power sharing it provides equality, justice and opportunity to every social section and every social groups. These students come to the moral region, that is that say power sharing is the spirit of democracy. It is based on the democracy. It is based on the fundamental principle of democracy, where everyone feels that he runs democracy, and democracy is in the hands of the people. So it is necessary to share power. And next we see another thing, that is the most important thing, that is the case study. That is the case study, and that is the most important thing. That is also a story from where we can learn a lot of things and lot of ideas, that how it is needed that power is shared. Dear students, it is the duty of all democratic country to provide equality, liberty and social justice. So it is needed to provide equality, opportunity and justice to every people. Dear students, if you talk about the case study, then we see we have two countries. One is Sri Lanka and another one is Belgium. First, we talk about Sri Lanka. We know Sri Lanka is our neighbor country. Is our neighbor country. It is not more far from India. It is near about India. It is far from approximate 50 km from India. It is island country. It is an island country. Sri Lanka is geographically separated from India by the Park Strait, and you know the population of Sri Lanka is approximate 2 crore. It's just similar to the Haryana, the state of Haryana in India. The most important thing that the people, the social structure of Sri Lanka, is combined as Sinhala and Tamils. Sinhala and Tamils are two major social groups in Sri Lanka. But you know, Sinhala is the major social group in Sri Lanka. But Tamils are the minority in Sri Lanka. But you know, dear students, Tamils always demanded a federal type of government in Sri Lanka, where all the people demanded equality, liberty, and equality in education and equality in job. And we next see the Belgium. It also a case study. We can say that we do case study on Belgium, where you can say and see how power is shared in Belgium and what happened in Belgium and which types of social conflict exist in Belgium. We can see first, dear students, Belgium is a small country in Western Europe, which population is not more than 1.15 crore, which is just below the population of Haryana, where Germany, Luxembourg, Netherlands, and this type of country makes boundary with Belgium. Next we see the social conflicts in Belgium and in Sri Lanka. Okay, that's all.